This will be a video chart on WMIH. We're going to take a look at the weekly chart, as I believe that does the best job of illustrating what's been going on and what we want to see happen going forward. So on that note, if you're not sure what I mean by weekly chart, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're known representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 1 week. So case in point, this bar right here represents 1 week of price action. And I might be off. Maybe there's a couple other charts and stocks out there, but this one I'm going to venture say had the best week possible from a charting perspective and candlestick perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, this candlestick here is as good as it gets, and the reason for that is you can see down here the low of the candle was at 68 cents, and that's also where it opened the week. So it opened at 68, and that's as low as it went was the open. And on the flip side of the coin, it closed up here at 88 cents, and that was also the high. So it closed at the high of the day. In other words, the time just ran out. Maybe if the week would have had a couple more days, it would have kept going up, but the time for the week just ran out, and that's right where it closed. So you can't get any kind of candlestick better than that when you have the open is as low as it goes, and then the close for the week is right where the high is. So just a great looking candlestick, and also a great example, real quick, of how volume is a great leading indicator. You can see this massive volume bar down here did a great job of forecasting, the next 3 weeks where it's been shooting straight up. So what I want to do now is just map out some supports and resistance levels, and hopefully that'll answer the majority of questions I've got in terms of where are things looking for the chart. So let's start off with some supports. Two supports really stick out. The first one being this previous high over here, and this is at a high of 75 cents. So 75 cents will be a level of support. And then a larger one, and probably one that I'd consider a little bit more important, is going to be down here right at, we'll call this, you can see there's a couple times where the price came up and got knocked down by this level, and you can see that's right where that a couple weeks ago closed before finally breaking above it and then making the move. And this level is at 65 cents. So 75 cents and 65 cents going to be the two key areas of support. I'm going to make that line a little thicker because it does hold more significance for the chart. In terms of resistance levels, this is pretty straightforward. It's so very close to a massive breakout here, and that's right here at this 90 cents. You can see here 2 weeks in a row the price was right at that level. And the reason that would be potentially massive is the next level of resistance is not way up here until $1.14. So 90 cents and then a dollar after that, not until $1.14 would be the next technical resistance. So lots of headroom and lots of potential to move upwards. So I am going to make that line thick because I think this could put up somewhat of a fight. And same with this one, at least from the technical perspective, looks like it might put up a fight since it is that previous level of resistance. But all in all, great looking chart. Like I said, I'd be hard pressed to find another chart out there that had as good as a week as this one. When you open at the low and then you close at the high, does not get much better than that. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We make some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was WMIH. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.